cars. $1 car versus $1 million car. Ever wondered how a $1 car stacks up against a mind-blowing $1 million marvel? Well, get ready, because today we're taking you on an extraordinary journey from the most budget-friendly clunker to the epitome of luxury and performance. Along the way, we'll explore what just a few $100 or $1,000 can buy, and what separates the ordinary from the extraordinary. So get ready to rev up those engines and take a wild ride through the world of automobiles like you've never seen before. So let's hit the road right now. Number 1, big size monster truck. Don't worry, this is just a name. You can get this toy car for just $1.14. Introducing the ultimate 4-wheel inertia drive monster toy trucks. Crafted from durable ABS plastic, these trucks boast anti-collision protection, making them both environmentally friendly and safe. Engineered with 4 shock-proof springs, they effortlessly absorb vibrations from uneven road surfaces, ensuring a smooth and stable driving experience. Equipped with top-notch inflatable rubber wheels, these trucks offer excellent anti-skid and shock resistance capabilities, guaranteeing a firm grip on any terrain, be it sand, grass, beach, or road. With their strong power 4-wheel inertia drive, you simply press the vehicle down and move it back slightly to unleash its impressive force. Release them quickly and watch these cars run with exceptional inertia power, effortlessly performing double-sided runs, forward, backward, left turns, and right turns. No obstacle can stop them. They keep going, providing you with exhilarating and unique driving experience. Unlike ordinary truck toys, these friction toy cars have an added feature that allows them to roll forward and backward to build up their power, giving the toy trucks a hard push to get the wheels in motion, and with ease, you can make them execute a jaw-dropping 360-degree rotating stunt by placing the car upright. Even younger children can effortlessly master this cool stunt show, enjoying hours of fun as these cars zoom all around the house. Popular among toddlers and toy car enthusiasts alike, these truck toys are perfect for your kids or anyone who adores the thrill of dynamic and versatile playtime. Number 2, Fastlane Cyclone AX10. Obviously, you won't get anything for $100, but we'll never disappoint you, so here we have our incredible 4-wheel drive vehicle with independent suspension, offering a thrilling and high-performance experience at an unbeatable price of just $99.99. Prepare to be amazed as this remarkable vehicle reaches speeds of up to 22.5 miles per hour, delivering an exhilarating and adrenaline-pumping ride like never before. Thanks to its cutting-edge 2.4 GHz full-function remote control, you'll enjoy digital proportional steering and speed control, granting you precise maneuverability and complete command over the vehicle's movements. Equipped with a powerful 7.4-volt lithium-ion rechargeable battery, this fantastic package includes everything you need for an instant adrenaline rush, except for 4 AA batteries for the remote control, which are not included. Charging is a breeze with a provided USB charging cable, ensuring you spend more time on the road and less time waiting. With a range of an impressive 164 feet, you can push the boundaries and explore the limits of speed and control. The vehicle's independent suspension system ensures smooth and stable handling, allowing you to conquer all types of terrains with ease and confidence. Whether you're a seasoned RC enthusiast or a beginner looking to dive into the world of remote-controlled vehicles, this 4-wheel drive marvel promises endless hours of excitement and fun for all ages. Get ready to unleash the power, speed, and thrill of this extraordinary RC vehicle. Number 3, you can get a real car for $1,000. Here's how. You might not believe it's possible to get an automobile that runs and is in good condition for less than $1,000, and you could be right, but it's also possible that you'd be surprised. A recent analysis of used car ads revealed that there are a number of fairly reliable vehicles available for less than $1,000. Bear in mind that for that amount, you won't be able to buy a car that's in perfect condition, and the majority of the vehicles we looked at had at least some cosmetic flaws, if not more serious problems as well. Be prepared for any vehicle, even one that runs smoothly, to have a high number of miles on the odometer, be an older model, or have some combination of these problems. Even a vehicle that requires only a few minor repairs may be worthwhile to consider purchasing, particularly if the price has been reduced as a direct result of the vehicle's condition. The more significant problems at hand are a separate topic. When it comes to older automobiles, it is extremely vital to perform a thorough check, paying particular attention to the vehicle's safety systems. You have the option of buying a 2004 Toyota Camry. It ranges from $800 to $1,000 in terms of its selling price. This particular model of a Toyota Camry appears to still have a good deal of life remaining in it, which is not surprising given the Camry's well-known reputation for durability. Number 4, a 2022 Maserati Quattroporte. The Maserati Quattroporte receives rave reviews from drivers due to its remarkable performance, astonishing acceleration, and striking design. Furthermore, it offers ample space for both passengers and luggage, ensuring a comfortable and luxurious journey. There are a few considerations to keep in mind. While the overall cabin quality is impressive, some materials could be of better quality. In comparison to its tech-focused rivals, the Quattroporte might not offer as many cutting-edge features. Additionally, its gas mileage is not as competitive as some other cars in its class, with a combined mileage of 16 to 19 miles per hour. Despite these minor drawbacks, the Maserati Quattroporte has been a standout in the full-size sedan market since its debut almost 2 decades ago. With its twin turbocharged engine options and a captivating exhaust note, this car exudes sportiness and Italian flair. The sleek and unmistakable design adds to its allure, while the spacious cabin provides incredible comfort and indulgence for all passengers. The Quattroporte may not have the most modern interiors found in some competitors, but its dynamic feedback and engaging driving experience make it a favorite among drivers. It accommodates up to 5 passengers and is available in 4 trim levels. The GT 3.0-liter rear-wheel drive, equipped with a 3.0-liter V6 turbo engine and rear-wheel drive, is particularly popular, starting at $97,995 and offering an estimated 16 miles per gallon in the city and 25 on the highway. Owning a $1 million car is a symbol of accomplishment for some individuals, a tangible manifestation of their success in life, while for others it serves as a passion and an indulgence in an expensive hobby. These automotive marvels, with their unique exteriors crafted from exotic materials and astonishing power lurking under the hood, can justify their extravagant price tags, often surpassing the $1 million mark. Enthusiasts willingly part with such substantial sums for a variety of compelling reasons, drawn by the allure of these extraordinary automobiles. One such exceptional vehicle is the Porsche 918 Spyder, which epitomizes speed, luxury, and innovation. Described by Top Gear as one of the fastest and most outrageous cars on the planet, the Porsche 918 takes a mere 2.8 seconds to sprint from 0 to 62 miles an hour and boasts a top speed of 211 miles per hour. All thanks to its jaw-dropping 875 brake horsepower hybrid powertrain. This astonishing performance ensures that the Porsche 918 is anything but slow. It's a true powerhouse on wheels. Originally priced at around $400,000, the Porsche 918 garnered immense attention and demand, with a limited production run of 918 units. These exclusive supercars were sold out almost instantly, and as a result, the rarity and prestige associated with the Porsche 918 intensified. As time passed, the value of these remarkable machines escalated significantly, and today, witnessing the Porsche 918 models changing hands for approximately $1 million apiece is not uncommon. The allure of owning a Porsche 918 Spyder goes beyond its incredible performance and rarity. It represents the pinnacle of automotive engineering, a fusion of cutting-edge technology and exquisite craftsmanship. The sheer thrill of experiencing the seamless integration of its hybrid powertrain, delivering electrifying acceleration and impressive efficiency, contributes to its magnetic appeal. Furthermore, owning a $1 million car like the Porsche 918 grants entry into an exclusive community of automotive connoisseurs, where like-minded enthusiasts share their passion for the finest engineering feats on 4 wheels. It becomes a statement of status and taste, a testament to one's appreciation for automotive artistry and innovation. While for many, the idea of investing such a substantial amount in a car may seem extravagant, for those who truly value and understand the essence of these automotive masterpieces, it becomes an invaluable and unforgettable experience. Owning a Porsche 918 Spyder transcends conventional notions of transportation. It becomes a manifestation of dreams, aspirations, and a celebration of the extraordinary heights that human ingenuity can achieve. It represents the marriage of art and technology, and for those fortunate enough to possess one, it stands as a testament to their unwavering passion for automotive excellence. That's all for the video today, but we'll be right back with more soon, so don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel.